This is TechCrunch. It's becoming a little easier to build sophisticated robotics projects at home. Earlier this week, AI dev platform Hugging Face released an OpenAI model for robotics called Small VLA. Trained on compatibility-licensed, community-shared datasets, Small VLA outperforms much larger models for robotics in both virtual and real-world environments, Hugging Face claims. Small VLA aims to democratize access to vision-language action (VLA) models and accelerate research toward generalist robotic agents, writes Hugging Face in a blog post. Small VLA is not only a lightweight yet capable model, but also a method for training and evaluating generalist robotics technologies. Small VLA is a part of Hugging Face's rapidly expanding effort to establish an ecosystem of low-cost robotics hardware and software. Last year, the company launched Le Robot, a collection of robotics-focused models, datasets, and tools. More recently, Hugging Face acquired Pollen Robotics, a robotics startup based in France, and unveiled several inexpensive robotic systems, including humanoids, for purchase. Small VLA, which is 450 million parameters in size, was trained on data from Le Robot community datasets, specially marked robotics datasets shared on Hugging Face's AI development platform. Parameters, sometimes referred to as weights, are the internal components of a model that guide its behavior. Hugging Face claims that Small VLA is small enough to run on a single consumer GPU or even a MacBook and can be tested and deployed on affordable hardware, including the company's own robotic systems. In an interesting twist, Small VLA also supports an asynchronous inference stack, which Hugging Face says allows the model to separate the processing of a robot's actions from the processing of what it sees and hears. As the company explains in its blog post, because of this separation, robots can respond more quickly in fast-changing environments. Small VLA is available for download from Hugging Face. Already, a user on X claims to have used the model to control a third-party robotic arm. It's worth noting that Hugging Face is far from the only player in the nascent open robotics race. NVIDIA has a collection of tools for open robotics, and startup K-Scale Labs is building the components for what it's calling open-source humanoids. Other formidable firms in the segment include Dyna Robotics, Jeff Bezos-backed Physical Intelligence, and Real World.